Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add an existing group to a community on WhatsApp web using your PC. If you're ready to streamline your group management, let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Next, locate the community section in the menu and click on it. This is where all your communities are listed. Find the community you want to manage and click on it to open its details. Now, look for the Add Group option within the community interface and click on it. A new menu will appear with two choices: Create New Group or Add Existing Group. Since we're focusing on adding an existing group, select that option. You'll now see a list of groups that you manage or have admin access to. Browse through the list and select the group you want to add to this community. Once you've made your selection, confirm the action by clicking on the confirmation button. And that's it. The selected group is now part of your community. This feature helps keep related groups organized under one umbrella, making communication and updates more efficient for everyone involved. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips and guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.